Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. In our Christmas edition video today, we're going to make some really pretty Christmas DIYs. That's going to include, I'm going to show y'all how we can make some really pretty framed wall art and some fun ornament projects. So let's get started. The first project is going to include this beautiful sheet of decoupage paper where we're going to get 4 beautiful graphics. This is included in the Sonnet's monthly November curated makers box. If y'all are interested in subscribing to her monthly subscription box, I'll leave a link down below. Each of Sonnet's monthly boxes, she has decoupage paper and a lot of times rice papers that are created just for her boxes. So these are limited editions, so you can only get those in her monthly boxes. But this November box had this beautiful decoupage sheet. So I'm going to take 2 of the graphics on it. I'm going to take a beautiful frame that I have, and I'm going to show you 2 ways of how we can make some beautiful Christmas wall art, very inexpensive, and how we can swap it around and do the other side. So we can have 2 graphics and use 1 frame. So all I'm going to do is I took the back off of a frame that will fit the graphic. I'm using DIY liquid patina, but you could also apply your sheet of decoupage paper using Mod Podge. Just use liberal amounts, get it applied to the back really well. I go over the top, and then I always roll over it with a brayer just to smooth it out really well. Once it dries, all we have to do now is put it back in the frame. I found some really pretty mercury glass inspired ornaments at Walmart for only $3.47. These are shatterproof and plastic, but I think the look of these are beautiful. So if you happen to run across these at your local Walmart, pick them up because they are beautiful, styled with your Christmas decor.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
I absolutely love this frame, so I'm going to show you another option. I'm going to remove the graphic that I just made. I'm going to flip the board over, and I'm going to show you how we can put this graphic on the other side. So we can use the same frame, but just use another graphic. So I'm just showing you another option. The thing that I love about these graphics on this decoupage sheet are they are 11 by 14. So these are perfect sizes for any 11 by 14 frames that you may have. And they're so easy to apply and make some beautiful Christmas wall art.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you.
One of my favorite parts of Christmas is making DIY ornaments. I love making ornaments that we can put on our tree, and you can also embellish your gifts with them. I found these blank ornaments at Goodwill back in the summertime for 50 cents each. I picked up every one they had, so I've got 6. So I'm just going to show y'all some ways of how I decorated these, and I'm just going to use a glue stick to apply these, but I went out to the Graphics Fairy, and if you're not familiar with the Graphics Fairy, it is just a website that has hundreds, probably thousands of free downloads that you can search on. You can search on just about any kind of thing, but I searched on vintage Christmas graphics, and they have a lot that are free, and all you do is just print them out. So I printed these out just on a inkjet printer that I have at home, nothing fancy about it, and it's just on regular copy paper. But I just blew some of the graphics up and made them a little bit larger. This right here had an ornament cap to it, so you can actually make ornaments, and they give you the little ornament cap graphic along with it. So I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to put this at the top of the ornament. I'm just going to show you different options of different graphics that you can download for free from the Graphics Fairy, and I'm also going to show you 3 that I use some decoupage paper on. But if you have blanks like this, you can just get creative with them. You can, use transfers, you can use napkins, you can use, stencils. So many things that you can do with ornament blanks like this. I got this also from the Graphics Fairy. I also customized it. I blew it up so it was larger because there was 4 tags on a sheet, but I blew this one up so it would be larger to fit over the whole space of my ornament. So that's what I'm going to do. Once I got it large enough to cover the space of my ornament, I'm just going to place it down, get it in the, centered on the ornament, where I get most of the little girl, and then I'm going to go over it with a good quality glue stick and just go around and just apply it liberally. Put your paper down, and I always roll over it with a brayer just to smooth it down really well and make sure it adheres to that glue really good. And once it gets dry, or you can just go around, when you use school glue, you really don't have to let it dry, but just go around the edges now with some sandpaper, remove the excess paper, smooth the edges down, and then just go through, poke that hole back through, add some beautiful ribbon. Now this is ready to give away on a gift box or hang on your tree. I also printed out this Santa. This is a Graphics Fairy free printable, and I'm going to do the same thing to it, and I'm going to apply it to this ornament. And then the next 3 I'm going to show you, we are going to make some from decoupage paper. So just giving you more ideas and more options if you have these blanks, and you may can find these at Hobby Lobby in the craft section. So look there if you want to make some of these. But like I say, these make really pretty customized tags for your gifts or beautiful ornaments for your Christmas tree. And you can do whatever theme you want. If you love vintage Christmas, I know you'll find a lot of, beautiful graphics to choose from. And also you can use whatever color theme that you want. So make your own ornaments, and they're not only beautiful once you get them made, but they're also so fun to create. Now I'm going to show you 3 ornaments that I made from this beautiful sheet of Roy Cycle decoupage paper. This is in her collection for 2024, and it is a 20 by 30 sheet. It's got so many large postage stamps on this sheet, and they're all 6 by 6. So there is a lot of graphics on this sheet. So this is a good sheet of decoupage paper to get for your money, because you can create a lot of projects with it. So I just took that girl and I cut her out. She is not going to fit over the whole space of my ornament. So on these, I'm going to show you another idea. I'm going to go over the top of the ornament using some rub and buff, and I'll also go around the sides when I get her applied. Now I'm applying the decoupage paper using DIY liquid patina, but you can always use Mod Podge. Y'all know I always love to roll over my graphics with my brayer just to smooth them down really well. Now I'm going to show you 2 more ornaments and 2 more of those beautiful postage stamps and how beautiful they look on these wooden ornaments. Some of these I do with rub and buff, and then a couple of them I'm going to go over with some dark wax. I'll do the top of the ornament, and also I'll go around the edges. Add some of your favorite ribbon to make some hangers, and these are ready to hang on your tree or embellish your gifts.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving.
I also want to add, if you don't want to wax or use rub and buff to go around the edges of these wooden ornaments, you can also paint them, and you can paint them before you add your decoupage paper. On these, I decided not to paint, but I just wanted to throw that out there that you always could. So pretty much the sky's the limit on all the ways that you can embellish these ornaments. Just get creative with them, and they're just some really fun DIY ornament projects that you can make.
There's a ringing when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts
Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah.
We're coming toward the end of the video, but I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the ways that I showed you in today's video of how you can make some beautiful DIY ornaments and some beautiful wall art. So make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite was. Let me know if you're going to try any of these crafts and projects. These are fun projects to do with family and friends. So just, keep that in mind through the winter months. If you want something fun to do, make some of these. As always, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I'll plan to see y'all next week in a new video. Merry Christmas, y'all.
It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.